We are up to question 28. Question A. Temperature can be measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. The two temperature scales are related by this equation. Calculate the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit when it is minus 20 degrees Celsius for 1 mark. This is a simple substitution question, and we just need to follow the equation. Substitute in C is minus 20. We get F equals 9 times minus 20 all over 5 plus 32. That is minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 1 mark. Seems to be right. Let's check the answers. Temperature is minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 2 for 2 marks. Solve the following equations simultaneously using either the substitution method or the elimination method. Let me just write the 2 equations down. I am going to substitute this. I'm going to substitute 2 into 1. I could do it 2 ways. Either I could turn the F into a C, or I could turn the C into the F. And since I've already written F, I'm just going to turn the other one to F, because F is the same as C. So I'm just going to substitute F in as C. Now I'm going to solve for F. First of all, I'm going to times 5 to both sides. 160. Then I'm going to minus 5F to both sides, and I'm going to minus 160 to both sides. Then divide by 4 and I get minus 40. And that is the same as C as well. So C and F are both negative 40 degrees. C and F both negative 40 degrees. Question 3. The graphs of this and this are shown below. What does the result from part 2 mean in the context of the graph? It means that these 2 graphs are going to intersect at minus 40 degrees. And it will be at minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So around here somewhere, they are both going to intersect. And that's what that means for 1 mark. I'm not going to write that down, but that's what you'd say. Let's see what they say. The 2 lines intersect at minus 40, minus 40. There you go. That's a more succinct way of putting it. That's a better way. So basically that's what I was trying to say. Next. B. 5 people are in a team. 2 of them are selected at random to attend a competition. How many different groups of 2 can be selected for 1 mark? Let's see. There are 5 people in a team. What you can do is going around it the long way, which would be we'll name these persons A, B, C, D, E, and you can go A with B, or A with C, A with D, A with E, then you move on to the B. Now you wouldn't go BA, because BA and AB are the same team. So you would do BC, BD, BE, then you move on to C. CA has already been done, CB has already been done, so it will just be CD, CE, and then it's just DE. And that's it. You can't do any other teams. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 teams that you can do. Therefore, 10 teams can be selected. The other way that you could do it is that the teams that you could get, the first person, there are 5 possibilities for the first person. And the second person, there are 4 possibilities. However, you need to divide by 2 because again, when they are back to front, it's the same team anyway. So you need to divide by how many people there are. In this case, there are 2 people. And so you divide by 2 and that gives you the 10 teams as well. Let's check the answers. Okay, so they did it the second way. There are 10 groups of 2. If Mary is one of the 5 people in the team, what is the probability that she is selected to attend the competition for 1 mark? Okay, there are 2 ways that she could be selected. Either she's selected first or she's selected second. Either way, she's going to be selected for the competition. If she was selected first, she has a 1 out of 5 chance of being selected. It doesn't matter what the second one is because she's already in. Or, so we put a plus for or, she is not selected for the first one, but and she is selected for the second. So that's the 2 possibilities. Either she's selected first or she's selected second. That becomes actually 2/5. Let's see if that's right. Yep. 4 of the 10 possibility includes Mary. Oh, so they counted it, okay, with the groups. The probability is 4 out of 10. Therefore, it's 0.4, which is 2/5. Question C. Michelle borrows $100,000. The interest rate charged is 12% per annum, compounded monthly. The monthly payment is $1,029 and the first repayment is made after 1 month. What is the amount outstanding immediately after the second monthly repayment is made? Whew! Alright, let's write things down. Let's start with month 1. Month 1, she is going to get interest on it, which will be 1%, right? Because if it's 12% per year, it's 1% per month. Therefore, for the first month, she's going to get 1% interest on top, which will be $101,000. But then she made her repayment, and her repayment is $1,029. Therefore, she now only owes $99,971. Month 2, again she's going to get interest on this, and again she's going to make a repayment. After that, she's going to owe $99,941.71, which is what the question, wants. What is the amount outstanding immediately after the second repayment is made? And that is this much. Let's see if it's right. $99,941. Yep, and 71 cents. Excellent. And that is 3 marks. D. Make y the subject of the equation. Oh, I love this question, and we need to make it y equals for 2 marks. I'm going to square both sides. +1 to both sides. Divide by p on both sides. And there we go. Y is equal to x squared plus 1 over p. Done. 2 marks. Let's see. Y is equal to x squared plus 1 over p. Good stuff. Question E. A movie theater has 200 seats. Each ticket is $8. The theater owners are currently selling all 200 tickets for each session. They decide to increase the price of tickets to see if they can increase the income earned from the movie session. It is assumed that for each dollar increase, there will be 10 fewer tickets sold. A graph is showing the relationship between an increase in price ticket and the income of the tickets and the income. What's the price currently? 8. Okay. What ticket price should be charged to maximize the income from a movie session? To maximize the income, we want it to be right at the vertex here. And that is if it is increased by $6. To have the maximum income, the ticket price should be increased by $6. Therefore, it is $14. Let's check. Yeah. Question 2. What is the number of tickets sold when the income is maximized? Well, according to the question, it is assumed that for each dollar increase, there will be 10 fewer tickets sold. And since they increased it by $6, we would think that there will be 60 fewer tickets sold. The tickets sold would be 200 minus 10 times 6. It's 200 minus 60, which is 140 tickets. Let's see. Yep, 140 tickets. The cost of the theater owners of running each session is $500 plus $2 per ticket sold. Calculate the profit earned by the theater owners when the income earned is maximized. To find the profit, we first need to find the income, and if they are selling 140 tickets at $14 each, they're gonna get an income of $1,960. Then we need to know the expenses, which is $500 plus $2 for each ticket, which is 500 plus 280, which is $780. Therefore, the profit is going to be 1960 minus 780. And that is $1,180. Therefore, the profit is $1,180. Let's check. Awesome. Oh, my hands are cramping. We got 2 questions to go. I'll see you in the next question.